Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Chris. I'm here with Cathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have a haul video for you today. This is from Just Between Friends. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Cathy and let her let you know what it is.
Hey guys, so I shopped the pre-sale last night at the sale. I got this whole bag of shoes as well as a ton of like little baby dresses and tops that we're going to do in a separate video because it's just so much. So I'm just going to jump right in, show you what I got and what I think that they will sell for. So I got these little Nike, these are called Ray Sandals. These are a toddler 9. They will probably sell between 20 to 25 shipped. Got some Crocs. These are just like glitter flats and they're a little kid size 13. Again, they'll probably sell right around 20 to 25 shipped. Alright, I got some Nike. These are also called Sunray Sandals, just a little bit different of a model. And I actually got 2 pairs of these. Wonder if they had twins because they're exactly the same and same size. So yeah, 20 to 25 shipped is what I usually get for these guys. And these are both a toddler 9, I believe. The way you see the size on these is really hidden. Alright, and I got these little baby Nikes that are a size 4. These, again, they're going to sell for 20 to 25 shipped. That's about what most baby shoes go for that I pick up. These are little Converse. They're like a black high top. And these will sell probably right around 20. 25 would be pushing it on those. And then I did get a couple of pairs of adult shoes. Like some of the sales let you sell adult shoes because some kids do wear larger sizes, but some of the sales cut you off at like a 5 or something. So these are actually, they were in the women's section, but yeah, these are men's 8. They're just some Brooks sneakers. They'll probably sell around $40 to $50. A little dirty, so I'm going to toss these in the washing machine. That's how I wash athletic shoes and pretty much any shoe that's like cloth or like rubber or something. Alright. If you're not new here, you know I love selling Crocs, so pretty much any kind of Crocs. These ones are, I don't think I've sold any like this before. It has like this
Like a cloth
type
band,
of, yeah. So these, and they have some butterfly gibbets. Size 12, 13. Again, they'll probably sell around 20 bucks. Oh gosh, these were my favorite thing and I way overpaid for them. I'll probably make a small profit, but Pac-Man, I don't like video games, but the only video game I pretty much ever play is Pac-Man or Mrs. Pac-Man. So, these are just some Chacos. They are a youth size 2. And yeah, I'm probably going to list these. Normally I get for kids Chacos like I'd say 30 to 35, but because these are Pac-Man, you can't just, I don't think, buy them anymore new. I'll clean them up as best I can and list them probably for 50 to 60, because if someone wants them, they will be willing to pay that.
You can demand a higher price because of that
and if they don't
crossover
sell,
there.
My son will fit them in a couple years.
I feel like you're secretly hoping they don't sell too.
I am a little, but if they can get 50 bucks, I'll take it. So these are actually another pair of adults. So these are women's New Balance Minimus. These are great shoes for this time of year and in great shape. So they are 9.5, and I think these will sell for probably around $40, 35, 40 bucks I'd say on those. Got some more Crocs. These are little like pink glitter flats, and these are a size 13. Again, right around $20 shipped. Crocs usually sell really fast. I'd be surprised if I have any of these Crocs after like the first 30 days. These are just some Checkered Vans. They are a youth size 2. Really good shape, just a tiny bit of dirt on the rubber, which is pretty much expected for any shoe that's been worn even one time. I think I can get about 25 to 30 out of those. When I say 25 to 30, I mean like that's the shipped price. So if I say it's probably like 25 plus ship or 30 free ship. When I say 20 to 25, it's like 25 free ship, 20 plus ship. So, these are some brown saltwater sandals, size 8. And in my opinion, these are unisex. So yeah, toddler size 8. And they'll probably sell right around, I'll take them out of this plastic because it's hard to tell what they look like. But if you ever see these for cheap at your thrifts, they sell really easily this time of year. So yep, right around 25 bucks probably on those guys. I think I got a few other pairs of them as well. Yep, this is a size 4 infant. And we got these white ones, size 8. These are in really good shape. Another pair of Chacos. Chacos are one of my favorite sandals to look for this time of year. These are a toddler 11. I'm going to toss these in the washing machine because they're pretty dirty, but these clean up so nicely in the washing machine. Speaking of, I'm going to show you guys. If you watched one of our last videos.
Our last haul video.
Yeah,
well, not our last one because the dress one is going to be before this one, but one of our most recent ones.
Yeah, so I got these at an estate sale, and we kind of showed the bottoms. They were covered in dirt, so all we did is toss them in the wash with some towels, and they just
Did
get
a cold cycle, wash it on cold, tap cold.
Yeah, they're in great shape now. So that's when I say I'm gonna throw them in the wash. I literally mean I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine. I'm not gonna hand scrub them or anything like that. I spray some OxyClean on them or some Shout, whatever you got, and yeah, those will come really clean.
Crocs basically come out dry, and things like Chacos and stuff, just let them air dry and you're good to go.
And it works really good on Converse even. The Converse do fade just a tad bit sometimes, like the canvas ones, so I'm a little pickier on throwing those in, but it just depends. I still do it. And even these little Nikes I'm going to toss in the wash because they don't have any actual leather on them or anything, but yeah, these will probably sell right around 25 shipped. These are an infant size 5.
It might be good to mention that we do have a front loading washer. I don't know if that would matter. Do you think a top loader would be more damaging? I don't know.
I don't think so.
I think we've always ever had a front loader.
I don't know if I've tried it, yeah. But I wouldn't think so. These are some more Nike Sunrays, so 20 to 25 shipped on these, and these are a toddler size 5. Another pair of adult shoes. These are a women's 9 Nike training. Just thought these were cool looking. I've never sold this type before, so obviously a women's shoe is gonna go for more than a baby shoe, but maybe not a ton more. Some Nikes can go for 80 bucks. These are just pretty normal shoes. I would guess, without looking up comps, 30 to 35 plus shipping. Oops. And then these are some more Converse. These are a Youth 1. And yeah, these, I wonder how much these weigh, because I feel like these are right at the, cool, just under a pound. I like to keep my kids' shoes under a pound because they, first off, don't sell for quite as much, but since you can ship them for less, it's still worth it for me to pick them up. Okay, these are cute little baby Vans, size 4. And I think those will go for 25 to 30 because they're in really good shape. And people love baby Vans. This one is falling out. These are Stride Right. I don't normally pick up this brand. I just thought that these were in really good shape and they were only a couple bucks. So I think they'll sell around 20. Nothing amazing, but I also saw that they were a size 7.5 extra wide, and I don't know about your guys' kids if you have kids, but our kids' feet when they were babies were very chubby, so it was hard to put shoes on them. So something like this is perfect for little baby feet. And also these are real leather, so I just imagine some little cute babies walking around at church with these. Alright, and then these are just some Toms. I normally pass on Toms, but because these were new with tag and they're like a camo print, I think they'll do okay. They'll probably sell right around $20 shipped. Alright, last couple pairs here. Another pair of Nikes. These are a toddler size 5. They'll sell right around 25 shipped. And last but not least, this is one of my favorite brands to sell as well. It's just Livy and Luca. Oh, you can't really see. That's kind of like their little logo, but these are just some baby crib shoes. They are real leather. And these will probably sell for 25 to 30. So yeah, that's all the shoes I got at this sale. I got a couple more pairs, but those are the ones I kept for my kids, so I just took them out before we started. But yeah, I did have a lot more in my bag at first, but once I went through and tried to figure out if it was worth it or not. Like a lot of the shoes were priced at like $10, and that's just a little bit too much to make much of a profit off of. Like I don't want to spend $10 to make a $5 profit. So yeah, I did put a lot back. These sales have so much stuff. But yeah, I'm excited to get these listed.
Did you say your average price? Did you calculate that yet?
I haven't yet. So yeah, I haven't decided because like you can see like these shackles were $5.50. These Toms were like $4. So I might calculate these all together, all the shoes, and then divide by however many I got, which I don't even know how many I got here. Probably 20 something. So I don't, sometimes we do, what is that called? Average cost of goods. It just depends. Like I don't like doing it when like some stuff is $2 and some stuff is 10, because then it averages that out to like what, $5-6, and like some things I would not have spent $6 on. So I don't know. I know it's an arbitrary number, and like I don't know. I just don't like when we do our what solds to be like, oh, I paid $10 for these baby Toms, because technically I paid $4 for them. Even though it's an average, I understand the point.
It can be a little confusing on the what solds.
Yeah, I usually do it more if like everything's kind of like within $5 to $7. Then I like doing it better. So I probably will average the cost, but I'll have to calculate it first.
All right, that is what Cathy picked up as far as shoes go. Now we are recording another haul video that's going to have a lot of dresses, and that one's probably going to be going up before this one, but if you haven't seen it yet, go back and check that one out. And if you're wondering why we buy kids shoes, and maybe you're thinking to yourself that there's not a whole lot of profit in these, we did also do a video recently where Cathy sourced, listed, and did everything from buying to getting them on the internet listed. She did 65 pairs of kids shoes in 1 8-hour day. So we can go through these very quick, so we don't need to demand such a high price because of how efficient we can be with them. So it might not work for your business model, but it does work for ours. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I think it's very impressive. You had something to say?
I was just going to say, the way I look at it, and we've mentioned this in the past, is like instead of me driving to all the thrift stores in town, picking out the best items, I found all these, plus all the dresses and stuff you've seen in the other haul, all in like a 4-hour time period in one spot. I didn't have to drive. I didn't have to spend money on gas other than to drive to the one spot. So while some of the inventory is higher priced than I'd like to spend, I just look at it as in how much I'm going to make total off of this one investment. So I think I'll make about $1,000-ish off like profit after all the fees, shipping costs, everything like that. Once all of this sells off, I think I will net profit around $1,000. So I think if it takes me the 20 hours, that's still like $50 an hour. If it takes me 15 hours, that's like $65 an hour. So that's just like how I like to look at it. Not so much the profit per piece. Some people like to have, a $30 net profit per item. I just more look at it as in how much I can get for it.
Per deal overall.
Yeah. So I like to buy as much as I can at once and just make a big lump sum off of what I can do.
So like I was saying, it might not work for your business model, but it does work for ours, and I think we're going to turn a pretty good profit on these for relatively little work. Shoes are very easy for us. We like to batch them out super fast. We can clean them really good. So, we'll get these listed up, and right now we're only listing to eBay. Normally we cross-list things, so if they don't sell on eBay in the first 2 weeks, we'll cross-list them, and they'll sell off quickly that way. I did mention that 65 pairs of shoe video. I think we only have, 4 or 5 pairs of those left, and that was less than 2 months ago. So kids' shoes do sell. So if it's something that you're interested in, definitely try it. But other than that, that's going to do it for this haul. We're going to go ahead and see you in the next one. Bye.